So with Binance restricting access to US customers, is there a good alternative? Well, let's find out. Shane here, CryptoFish YouTube channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell below. Quite a few videos coming out every week in the cryptocurrency space. I also have something going on called Bitcoin Fridays, where I give away Bitcoin every Friday. So be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and hammer those likes. I would appreciate it. Okay, so as some of you may or may not know, Binance is restricting access to US customers. Here's a article on Cointelegraph. Binance to stop serving US traders following an announcement of US dedicated platform. Major cryptocurrency exchange announced June 14th that has updated its terms of use, which notably includes restriction of services to the US-based individual and corporate traders. The restriction follows yesterday's news that the company is launching a separate, fully regulated fiat-to-crypto platform for the U.S. market. Today's announcement provides a timeline for the new terms to come into effect, specifying that after 90 days, effective September 12th, users who are not in accordance with Binance's terms of use will continue to have access to their wallets and funds, but will no longer be able to trade on Binance or deposit. If you scroll down here a little bit, earlier this month it was reported that the decentralized exchange developed by Binance will use geo-blocking to restrict website access to users in 29 countries, including the US. So not good news for us. If you watched any of my little old lady trading videos that I picked up on from DaVinci J15, I've been seeing if I could actually double my funds that I put in. I started out with, I think it was 0.078 BTC, which is right here. These were all my trades I have on Binance, what I got in at, my first sells, which I was only able to sell a couple of them so far, but all the green is basically all the orders that were filled, and the reds are ones yet to be filled. So what I'm going to have to do is actually shut all of those open orders down and move all of my cryptocurrency off the exchange because I won't be able to trade there anymore. So I went in search of a new exchange to find. So I went over to CoinMarketCap, clicked on exchanges, and kind of went through some of these, and I landed on Bibox right here. It's got a 24-hour volume of almost 1.3 billion, top 10 exchange according to CoinMarketCap. So I decided to create an account. They have headquarters in both the United States and in Hong Kong, which I thought was good. And here is Bibox right here. Pretty straightforward exchange. Like I said, top 8. So let me go to account information. I've already created an account there, so you can go to profile verification. The thing I liked, equivalent daily to Bitcoin current. That means I can withdraw up to 2 BTC a day, and I don't have to do the KYC. If I wanted to do any more, equivalent daily up to 20, I would have to go through a verification type of measure. So I like that about this exchange. That's kind of how Binance is right now. If you go to Binance and you go over to account information, they got the same level 1 right here, 2 BTC, so they're pretty much on par. That's the only account I got right now with them. Basically that level 1 deal, 2 BTC limit. So matched up perfectly over here with Bibox. I think it's been around for about 2 years now, this exchange. So we can go over to exchange, click on basic, and it's pretty much as straightforward just like Binance is, or we can go to full screen and it'll pull that up, and then you can click on, say you want to trade BTC, click on that right there, and then you can pull up your little tools. I like to use the Fibonacci retracement, which is right here, and it pulls all the stuff from TradingView just like Binance does. And you know, you can do things just like you can over on Binance. So that's what I liked about this after looking into it a bit. They also have margin trading where you can basically like a BitMEX or that new Bybit, I think it is called, or I think it's Bybit, where you can basically leverage trade. I think it only goes up to 3x when I looked into it earlier, so it's not like a 10x or 50x or 100x. So 3x, I guess they don't want to get too crazy. But if you're into margin or leverage trading, they have that here as well. If you guys are interested, there'll be a link down below in the description. You can go ahead and check this out for yourself. Maybe you guys are looking for an alternative to Binance as well. So what I'm going to have to do right now is over here on Binance, I'm going to have to, let me go over to funds, balances. I'm going to end up having to close all of my orders, and then I'm going to have to end up selling all of my coins and slash tokens here, convert it all into BTC at whatever the market price is, then pull all of my BTC out, transfer it over to here, and gonna have to start the whole process again. So I'm probably gonna end up losing out some BTC here, but that's the way it goes. Didn't foresee this when I started my little project here. As you can see, on February 5th, I was gonna let it run till February 5th of next year and see how much more BTC I could gain, but I'm gonna have to close all these positions and start pretty much all over again. And hopefully I won't lose out too bad. I'm kind of trying to wait out probably till at least mid-August. Hopefully there's some kind of an altcoin run by then, and some of these can actually get my first sells on, and I can make a little bit BTC in the process, but we'll see. Only time will tell on that. So that's that, guys. You guys have any alternative out there? What exchanges are you going with? Are you leaving Binance? I would hope so. And what other exchanges are you going to? Have you heard of Bibox before? If so, let me know down below in the description. Also, be sure to check out my little old lady trading tutorials that should be popping up here in a second. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Again, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell below, and hammer those likes, guys, okay? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.